Good afternoon and welcome to Maximo Bite Size, a podcast on the functionality of Maximo Manage. Today is the 10th episode in the series on service management. And today we will look at the solutions application and where solutions are used. Think of solutions as providing a knowledge base that can be searched by your end users. There is an application to support the creation of solutions. End users can search solutions, and you can apply a solution to a ticket. Solutions. The solutions application will be found in the service desk module. A solution exists at the system level and has a simple status of draft, active, or inactive. No status history action is available, although a status history is being recorded to the solution status table. There is a persistent org ID field which is not being used. This may be useful because in a worldwide organization, you may not retire a record from the knowledge base at the same time across the globe. The solution consists of three long description fields: symptom, cause, and resolution, each with the rich text formatting toolbar. The solution can be classified, and the specifications tab shows the attributes of the classification. The classification should be a similar set to those used for incidents and problems, as the classification will be copied when you create a solution from those applications. The solutions application has a checkbox, Self-Service Access, which, when set, allows the solution to be found in the Search Solutions application, a part of the self-service module. The type field has no ALN domain, but if it did, it might have values like FAQ, frequently asked questions, UG, user guide, POL, policies, etc. There are four hidden fields: failure code, problem code, which is the symptom, FR1 code, the cause, and FR2 code, the resolution, which might be used to link a solution to a failure hierarchy. The change by and change date fields are also hidden. They would be usefully configured onto the solutions application. Search Solutions. The Search Solutions application will be found in the self-service module and shows solution records that have the self-service access field set and which are at active state. Users search for solutions either through the classification or the description fields, and so you should be mindful of how easy the solution will be to find. The field marked Solution Description will search for the text you enter across 5 fields: the description and its long description, and the long descriptions of the symptom, cause, and resolution. The hyperlink on the table of solution records will show the details of the solution, and you can then use next record or previous record to navigate the list returned by your initial query of solutions. Linked documents and web pages to the solution will also be visible to the self-service user. At the bottom of the Search Solutions application, there are 3 buttons to the question: did this solution help to resolve your issue? Answering yes will create a service request at resolve state. There are also buttons to create a service request or return to the solution search. If you answered yes, then on the service request at resolve state, the originating record and originating record class fields will show the solution record that created the SR. These 2 fields are hidden on the service request application. Solution Details tab on Incidents and Problems. There is a Solution Details tab on the Incidents and Problems application. You can either select a solution to apply to the incident or problem, in which case the details are copied to the ticket record, or you can type into the symptom, cause, and resolution long descriptions. If you want to allow the self-service user to be able to view the solution, you need to mark the field Self-Service Access at the bottom of the Solution Details tab. Below this, the solution attachments will also be visible. There is an action Create Solutions available to the Incidents and Problems applications, and this uses the fields on the Solution Details tab to create a solution at draft status. When an incident has been made a global issue and a solution is applied, then the self-service user will see the solution details and their attachments from the View Service Request application when the relationship between the service request and the global issue is related to global. There is an action found in the organization's application called Service Desk Options, Global Ticket Solution Options, which has a single field, Apply Solution to Related Global Tickets. This will add the solution to the tickets which have a related to global relationship with the ticket marked as a global issue. This allows for analysis to be made on service requests to determine the effectiveness of a solution without having to examine the relationships back to the global issue ticket where the solution was applied. I hope you enjoyed this podcast, and I look forward to seeing you back on the next episode when we will look at the incidents and problems applications. The music is called Duck in the Alley from the talented group called Track Tribe. Please check them out on tracktribe.com, all one word. Until another time, goodbye.